Hello guys, so in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages. So if you have any problem with the direct messages, you will fix it in this video. So all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end. First step you have to do, go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps and then go to the apps manager, and right here wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and after that all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram, and after you find it just click on it like this. Now, all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Go to the notifications management, make sure to disable it and enable it again, and make sure that all the options are enabled. Go back, click on permissions, make sure also to enable all the permissions of the app. Go back, click on the data usage and make sure to disable the roaming data and the background data, and then turn it on again. Now the last step you have to do, go to storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on force stop, and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and any problem you have with messages is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.